Here are 5 things you didn't know about typewriters that operated without human control. First, in 1973, a secretary named Margaret died of a heart attack at her desk in downtown Chicago. But every morning, her boss found resignation letters typed on her machine overnight. The building was locked. Security found no one inside, yet the letters kept appearing for months. Second, Stephen King checked into the Stanley Hotel in 1974 to write his next novel. He found an old typewriter in his room that had already typed warnings about The Shining. The pages described scenes he hadn't even imagined yet. Third, a courthouse in Salem keeps a typewriter that automatically types confessions from dead criminals. Police use it to solve cold cases, and every confession has led to evidence. Fourth, an abandoned psychiatric hospital contained a typewriter that typed patients' final thoughts. People who died there decades ago were somehow still communicating. Fifth, the most terrifying case involves a family typewriter that predicts deaths. It types exactly how each family member will die, including the date and method. Every prediction has come true.